G'day humans, Chris Stead here. Got an unboxing for you. Today it's the Ninja Creami, as in C-R-E-A-M little I, which you may have come across. Quite excited about this one. So this is a 11-in-1 ice cream maker and frozen treat maker. And it is really hot. It's the middle of summer here. The kids are frothing for me to open this one, so we're going to get into it, and there's going to be a review on the channel soon, so stay tuned for that. But as it happens right now, let's get into this unboxing of the Ninja Creami. Okay, well, I'm not expecting this to be a particularly long one, but let's see what we've got in here. So it's got no actual, it's interesting, it's got no kind of identification on the box of what's in there, other than the Ninja logo, but you know, you wouldn't know what Ninja product's inside. There's no kind of colourful outer layer. There you go, have a look in there. Oh, we've got a box within a box, that's why. Creami Deluxe. Let's get that. Right, so now we know why the box is so bland. It's past the parcel. It's a box within a box. All right, so there we go. Look at that, wow. There is a lot going on that packaging, isn't there? 11-in-1. I've seen some of the early stuff I've seen of this. Looks great. I just looked up a couple of people like ideas for recipes and stuff like that, and it looks like it's going to be so much fun, and the kids are really going to get into it. So it's the Ninja Creami Deluxe. So I wasn't aware that there was a deluxe model specifically. So that is cool. I'm not sure. Yeah, I'm not sure if there's two models out there. But I'll obviously be reviewing the model that is the deluxe model. Just don't want to go too deep with this cut because I can't tell what's on the other side. All right. Wow, there's even more stuff on the inside of the box. I've never seen so many graphics on the outside of a box ever, I don't think. It's full on, it's an adventure. So a whole bunch of social stuff there. We have in here a pretty thick manual, and I'm assuming that's because it's got some recipes in it, hopefully. Yeah, it does. Look at that, watermelon Italian ice, blue raspberry Italian ice, a couple of ice drinks. So that's really cool. I'm really stoked that they've included that. So just gives you a little bit, oh, milkshakes. Oh, this is gonna be so much fun. Okay, strawberry ice cream. Okay, so oh, Rocky Road, sign me up. All right, so I'm really glad that that comes with it. So it just gives you a little bit of a head start. Then we've got just a quick start guide here. Nice and sharp and sweet, so that's good, not too overcomplicated. It's got text and images too, which I like. And that's your safety instructions. Don't stick your hand in there when there's a blade spinning around, I suspect. Okay, let's see what we've got here, how much weight we've got here. All right, so put the box to the side for a second. Lay it down away from the cord. You can see there. Okay. Pretty well packaged up. So I wonder what if a deluxe model just means more accessories maybe. Let's see. Ta-da! Look at that. Nice looking machine, isn't it? I like that it's got a nice big analog button. It's not just all touchscreen. Sometimes touchscreens get so annoying. Like you just don't know when you pressed it or when it's not working, when it is working. I love a nice dial. You know, it gets a bit dirty with the kitchen appliances. You can get your fingers, you can get a bit of grime on it, but I can already feel it's got a really good click as you go around, so you really can feel that you're hitting from thing to thing. It's awesome. Anyway, we'll go into that more in the review. Let's have a look at the power cable length here. Oh, that could be a lot better. What's that? That's got to be 70 centimeters at a, yeah, it's definitely not a meter. That's such a short cable, so it's not going to go a long way from your power point, that's for sure. All right, what else have we got? We have one lid. One, I assume, ice cream storage device, and a secondary ice cream storage device. So I do wonder, because I know that these are usually sold as accessories, so I do wonder if having the deluxe variant just means that they've included a couple of extra ones of these. Maybe. I don't know, but we'll go through that when we get to the review. Otherwise, I think that is everything. So there we go. Just been pointed out to me that there's also something in the jug. So there's something in there. Let's have a look. Okay. I feel like Ben Stiller and Owen Wilson in Zoolander right now. There we go. So that's obviously another one of those. So my suspicion is that the standard package probably just comes with the one, and the deluxe package comes in another two, which is really handy. So you can have a couple of different ice creams on the go. And there's also something in here, which is paddle installation. Right, okay, so your blade. So that's going to be your cutting blade / missing blade. All right, there we go. Okay. One unboxing of the Ninja Creami 11-in-1 ice cream maker and frozen treat maker. Gonna go jump into a review, so keep an eye on the channel. Look out for that in the very near future. I've got a couple of other Ninja products I'm going through as well, including this, going through an air fryer and a multi-cooker. So a few things coming up around this brand. And yeah, can't wait to see what it's like. I'm Chris Stead. Thank you very much for watching. Until next time, I'll check you later. Ew.
Turn almost anything into ice cream with the Ninja Creami. Creamify technology transforms frozen bases into super creamy treats in a matter of minutes. Just pick a program and let the specially designed dual-sided creamerizer paddle shave thin layers and churn ice crystals into rich, creamy treats. Creamify Technology's dual-drive motors automatically adjust the speed, time, and downward pressure of the paddle for each program. So you get a perfectly textured, frozen, creamy treat, customizable with your favorite mix-ins that only the Ninja Creami can give you. The Ninja Creami. Freeze, creamify, scoop, and enjoy.